up YouTube? I'm back with another video. It's your boy Geof coming at you today. We're talking about the infamous, the classic, the elevated Chelsea boot. Yes guys, the boot season is here to stay because winter is upon us. So let's get into the video. First up on the list guys, I'm going to be showing you where to buy your boots. Now of course mine are from Aldo personally because I like the fit and the feel of the boot itself on me. Now you can go to a wide array of places of course to grab something that you really like, but I'll highly recommend you check out places like H&M, Zara, Topshop and or ASOS. They have some very cool pieces and picks that I think that you guys will like, and you can choose from a wide array of color itself with a price range of $50 to $150, which I'm going to be showing you guys today because let's face it, not everybody is going to be able to afford that higher end echelon of a boot of designer from $3, $4 all the way to say up to $700 of itself. These pieces are very good quality and very affordable. So let's do it. Some of the things you guys are going to want to look out for when purchasing your boots are number one, the size, and number two, the shape of the boot. Now the size, you want to look at sizing down a half to a full size depending on the make or the design of the boot itself. And of course on the other side of the ball you're going to want to look at the shape. I personally like to roll with the more pointed structured silhouette of the toe itself because I believe it gives off more of that dressy vibe that I personally like. Of course you can always go with the other side of it, which is a more rounded, more casual look. Again, these boots are so versatile guys that you can go with anything you really like. You can dress them up and or down. So now that I've showed you guys where to buy them, how to purchase them, and things to look out for, I'm going to show you 3 different outfits that I've put together that you can rock with your Chelseas at any given time. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to give you 2 bonus tips. First outfit up guys is something casual you can wear on the daily, kind of keeping it cool whether you're going to school or just running errands and things. Second outfit up guys, this is a little bit more in between, whether you're going out or you just want to kick it. This would be something you can rock. Third outfit up, we got a knit sweater, some darker jeans, and an overcoat, a little bit more dressy and something you can wear out on the weekends and stuff like that. When it comes to cleaning these nice, sexy beasts of boots, guys, what you're gonna do is grab a white eraser from around the house and or any stationery store, then finding the grain of the suede itself, going with it at first. If it is in there and it is really deep, you can go back and forth and or I like to sometimes go in a circular motion until you're satisfied with that. The next thing you guys are going to want to do is grab a soft brush and or a softer sponge, going again back with the grain and brushing back to make that boot looking good and new the way it's always supposed to be. The final step in the process is grabbing one of these bad boys right here. This is a protectant that you can get for your boots to keep that snow, the rain, the salt, and all that other crap off of your boots to keep you looking good at all times. What I do guys is spray mine at least once and or twice before I go out every time to keep my boots on point. Okay guys, as promised, I got 2 bonus tips coming at you right now. Number 1 is to use a shoehorn when putting your boots on because it helps keep the shape of the back of the boot and it prolongs the life as you wear them for years to come. And number 2, grab a simple insert for your boots to keep the shape of the boot and to work away the moisture for your boots themselves. Question of the day guys is whether you prefer to wear suede and or leather, and as to why, I would love to know down in the comments below. It's been a blast. Subscribe, hit that like button. I'm wrapping up and we'll see you guys in the next video.